In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your charts/candles on TradingView. If you've ever felt that your chart is hard to read, or you simply want your candles to match your personal style, this quick walkthrough will help you update the colors of your candle bodies, borders, and wicks so your charts are clear and comfortable for your eyes. Start by opening your chart and right-clicking anywhere on the chart area. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel, which is where you control how everything looks and feels. It's a good idea to maximize your chart or zoom in a bit so you can immediately see the changes as you make them. Inside the Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. This is the section dedicated to how your price candles are displayed. You'll see options for the candle body colors, the borders, and the wicks. The body is the main filled part of each candle. The border outlines that body, and the wick is the thin line that shows the high and low of the candle. Adjusting all three helps you create a balanced, readable look. Choose distinct colors for bullish and bearish candles, so you can tell at a glance whether price moved up or down. Many traders prefer green for bullish candles and red for bearish, but you can pick any combination that makes sense for you. If you use a dark chart background, brighter or lighter candle colors can improve visibility. If you use a light background, slightly deeper tones can help the candles stand out without being harsh. Matching the border color to the body can create a clean look, while choosing a slightly darker border can add definition if your chart feels too flat. For wicks, go with colors that are visible but not distracting. A shade related to the body color often works well. As you tweak these colors, watch the chart to see what feels most readable. If your eyes feel strained or you find it hard to spot trends, simplify the palette and increase contrast between bullish and bearish colors. Consistency matters too. Once you find a scheme that's comfortable, stick with it so your brain learns to read your charts faster. And there you go. With a simple right-click, a visit to the settings, and a few adjustments in the Symbol tab, your TradingView candles will look exactly the way you want them. That's all.